Oh, hey guys, this is Dog. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to scare people. I have the special roar for it. First, I'm going to scare my friend Bart. Watch this.
That's weird. I thought I left my sword here somewhere.
Watch this. Huh? It worked. Let's see if I can scare anybody. I know. I'll scare Cookie Monster. Be right back.
Nothing like to eat cookies. Ha! And this is nothing but ooh, delicious.
It worked. Now I'm going to scare Fozzie.
So what do you call a cow who lives in the field? An utterly cows! Ha ha ha! Waka waka! Booga booga booga! Booga 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 booga!
I love scaring people. What's next? I know. The last time, I'll scare Ernie. Hi there. Today I'm going to tell you about air. Now, air is when you can't see anything because of a... I did it! I scared anybody! Thanks for watching. Please sure to subscribe or rate a comment. Alright? See ya!